Hi, I am Bhuvaneshwar from Tiruvarur, Tamil Nadu. I am skilled in quality assurance and quality control in welding inspection, which is very essential for oil and gas industry. I am performing this video to get World Skill Council certificate. Now I start the liquid penetrant testing. I have a test specimen, solvent cleaner, and red penetrant, and non-aqueous developer. Before starting the test, the specimen is need to clean properly. I am using solvent cleaner for the cleaning process. The pre-cleaning process is completed. After, I will apply the red penetrant. Now I apply the red penetrant. Now I give dual type. The dual time is completed. After I remove the excess penetrant. Now I remove the excess penetrant. Now I spray the non-aqueous developer, which is white background. I complete the developer. After waiting for dual time, see, I found some defects here and there and here. After I remove the post cleaning. This completed liquid content testing. Thank you.